So, what should be a very basic approach for folks who have exposure to small and mid cap stocks now? Because that's where the selling has been intense, which is that should one get out of small cap stocks? Should one sit on cash, convert them into large cap, or double your small and mid caps?
No, I think they should just hold for now. First of all, in the next 1 or 2 months, also, if it looks key, either neither the budget nor the monetary policy is helping, and if this different, then you may get more frustrated. But generally, the easier thumb rule has been first, if you are nervous, don't buy. But that doesn't mean you have to sell. And then you can see over time, and particularly if they are, say, small cap fund or small cap stocks, up as always, an old formula is कि आप 5-10% बेच दो अगर आपको nervousness लग रही है. It is never has it been a case of all or none in anything. And also individually, I can show you many small caps जो मुझे लगेगा जो यार 10-12 पी पे चल रहे हैं, बड़ी पुरानी कंपनियां हैं. It's not some new company. In fact, if you look at the places where the valuations are very high, वो या तो very high growth वाली चीजें थी या कोई प्लेटफॉर्म टाइप चीजें थी. बट उसको भी मैं ऐसे जस्टिफाई करता हूँ दैट मेनी पीपल बाय प्राइवेट पी फंड्स, दे बाय वीसी, ये उससे हायर ग्रेड का है बिकॉज दे बीन टेस्टेड, दे ऑलरेडी गॉन पब्लिक, दे 5 year हिस्ट्री. वही बंदे, सेम इन्वेस्टर्स, सेम हाई नेटवर्थ इन्वेस्टर्स साइमल्टेनियसली विल बी पुटिंग मनी इनटू न्यू P funds and VC funds to do something which is even more dramatic and even more this thing. So it's a continuum. I don't think there's any need to overly panic based on your sleep, how much it takes to not sleep. आप कम कर दो, ज़्यादा कर दो, dial in, dial out.
तो